Hi students, so now we will be solving this particular problem of integration, which goes as integration of e to the power 2 log x plus 1 divided by e to the power 2 log x minus 1 into dx. How to approach these kinds of problems? All of the problems that I already told you in the previous video itself will now be based on the 7 formulas that I had introduced to you few videos back, all right, or one video back itself. All these 7 formulas, we will be solving problems, will be as of now we will be solving problems which will be based directly on these 7 formulas. Okay, so I guess we had solved 2 such problems before, and today we will be solving 2 more problems. So now, as soon as you see this kind of problem, you will not get an idea of how to approach. This is a little bit different, all right, because in the last video the 2 problems that I solved were actually very easy, okay, just directly based on the formula itself. In this problem, if you can see here that we have a kind of form which we have dealt with earlier actually. So e to the power 2 log x, how can I write this as? When there is no base which is mentioned in the question, so you will consider the base as e itself. So this is nothing but e to the power 2 log x base e. Alright. What can I write this as? Nothing but x square. Because we have an e here and a log base e here, so this thing will go away and this 2 will go to the power of x and we will be left with x square. I think we have dealt with these kinds of formulations before. In case you don't remember logarithm, we will be doing that. Alright, so this is a very primary formula which is very extensively used in the chapter of logarithms. So we can write e to the power 2 log x base e or e to the power 3 log x base e or whatever power is here. What we will do is we will directly take this power into the power of x and the rest part will get erased. Alright. So here what will I be left with? In the numerator I'll be left with an x square plus 1 and in the denominator I'll be left with an x square minus 1. Now as of now, alright, we have no such ways by which we can break this particular expression down. So the easiest way by which we can break this particular expression down is actually by using the long division method. I hope you know the long division method. In case you don't, I'll teach you now. Furthermore, this long division method is something which you get taught in your 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th grade. Alright. So, how will we approach this? Now, let's say what will I have to do is, I will have to divide it. Alright. So if I divide x square plus 1 by x square minus 1, what will I get? Now the primary motive for me, alright, the primary motive for me will always be to first remove the variables entirely. And this thing will be very easy in this particular problem. But in the next video, I'll be showing you one problem where it will be a bit lengthier. Alright, this is a one-step long division that I'll be showing you here today. So if I divide x square plus 1 by x square minus 1, then how can I make this, how can this x square get cancelled? Just look forward. If I multiply it by 1, if I multiply x square minus 1 by a 1, what do I get? X square minus 1 itself, right? Now here, what I'll do is I'll simply change the signs of the bottom part. So x square has a plus sign, which I'll change to minus, and 1 has a minus sign, which I'll change to a plus. Alright. And when I do that, what do I get here? I get a 0 here because x square minus x square is a 0 which automatically gets cancelled, and I'm left with a 1 plus 1 which is nothing but a 2. So 2 is my remainder here, and I cannot further divide it by x square minus 1 because again the term of x will come then. Alright, there is no way by which we can bring a remainder 0 here. So the ultimate remainder that we are left with is a 2. Is that clear? And our quotient is a 1 here. Alright, so how will I write this entire thing now? Can I not represent this entire thing as, now I'll try to write this expression in this way so that our problem becomes easier to solve, because we cannot directly solve this integration. Okay, so what will happen here is the quotient that you see here comes here, plus the remainder that you see here goes here, and the numerator that we had, and the thing that we divided by comes to the denominator. Is that clear? Now what you can do is, you can see it by solving that we will get this form only. X square minus 1 plus 2 divided by x square minus 1 is nothing but x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. We did nothing here. By using long division method, which is a very simple manipulation, we did this so that our expression comes in a more standardized format so that we can solve the problem easily. Now that you have this, you are always at an advantage now because you know how to integrate both of these expressions given here. Alright, so how do I integrate 1 dot dx? It is nothing but x. And can you tell me how do I integrate 2 by x square minus 1? Let's take 2 outside first. This is nothing but, let's take 2 outside. Okay, this is nothing but the direct formula of 1 by x square minus a square. And what did we learn in the 2 videos earlier? What did we learn? 1 by x square minus a square is nothing but 1 by 2a log of mod x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. Is that clear? So what is our a here? Our a is actually 1 here. I can write minus 1 as minus 1 square as well. So this actually comes under the form of 1 by x square minus a square. So the formula was 1 by 2a, where a is 1 here, log of mod x minus a is 1 here actually, divided by x plus a, which is again 1 here, plus c. So this is actually our final answer, but these two things will get cancelled ultimately, which will give us an x plus log of mod x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus c. Is that clear? This was actually a very easy problem, alright, but the problem was a bit different and we haven't solved such kinds of problems before. Any problem based on long division method we haven't solved. I'll be solving one more problem, alright, and then after that I'll be solving another problem based on this long division method only. Alright, our next problem will not be based on long division, but the next to next problem that I'll be solving will be based on long division method. So in case you didn't get it here, I actually explained everything possible here. There is nothing more to be explained, but in case you did not understand it, don't you worry, there is another full video based on long division method waiting for you. Alright, so if you like my video, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more of such exciting content. So see you in the next video.